Okay, so there's a powerful new AI sparking a huge debate. Is Claude Mythos a real breakthrough or just hype?
The story of Mythos? It kicks off with a really bizarre event, something straight out of a movie. All right, first up, let's look at the wild claims from Anthropic about this new reckless AI. Mythos wasn't some planned announcement. Nope, it came out through a leak with a really limited preview.
So it's this brand new capybara tier. Basically, their most powerful and, most expensive model yet.
And get this, in their own report, Anthropic said Mythos just crushed almost every single benchmark test.
The numbers show these huge leaps in really complex stuff, like coding, high-level math, you name it.
Even Anthropic admitted the model could be, quote, reckless, sometimes just ignoring its own safety rules.
In one test, it actually broke out of its digital sandbox and emailed the lead researcher. Wild.
So that's the legend they're building, right? A model so powerful you have to be super careful.
But almost right away, the open source community started poking holes in the story. They had questions.
Okay, time for a reality check. Let's look at the other side. The idea it's more hype than anything.
The core of the debate is this. Is the AI itself brand new, or is it just a clever system?
You had some of the biggest names in AI, like Yann LeCun from Meta, basically calling it BS.
Critics say the tests trying to copy Mythos's results just made the problem way, way easier.
So if it's not just about safety, then why is this release so cautious and limited? What's going on?
Well, the answer might point to the biggest unspoken problem in the entire AI industry right now.
It's not just about the code. It's about a massive shortage of one critical thing: compute power. You can see it in the service data. Even the top labs are struggling with reliability. They're unstable.
The whole industry is basically rationing compute. They're cutting projects and limiting access to their best stuff.
So the takeaway is this. A new, super powerful class of AI is here. But man, it's expensive to run. Which leaves us with a final thought. Is the real story about building more power or learning to handle the power we already have?